Good morning, catastrophic science students. Welcome to Thursday, April 30th, our last day of April, and our second to last day of fracking week. We only have 2 days left on fracking week. We have 2 days left of our definitive documentary on fracking called Gaslands. So today and tomorrow you should be finishing up Gaslands. I want to remind you to please be sure that you're taking notes every day to document what you have seen, what you have learned, and your takeaways from this video. So we have 2 days left to work on this. If for some reason you have gotten behind, you certainly can continue to work on into the weekend, but hopefully get this finished up by Sunday if you are lagging a little bit behind. If you have extra time, as always, and you want to get ahead and you want to just go ahead and finish these assignments off, feel free to do that, but that is your choice. Please share your notes with me. Please share your notes with me to steve.hippemeyer@ketteringschools.org. Be sure it's the right email so that I'm receiving it. When you send points, you should be seeing those points posted. When you send subjects in, or assignments in, when you see assignments being sent in, they should be posted very shortly after the time you send them in. Now, the only time they wouldn't be posted, that would be if you're sending them at like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning. I may not get those posted immediately. But when you do send stuff in, usually anytime before dinner, it should be posted that same day. Have a great day. Hope you're enjoying the video definitive documentary, Gaslands.